Does this look all too familiar? I'm sure you can relate to this. I dropped my phone several times before, but this last time was when I got out of a car. The phone fell off of my lap and face down on the pavement, and it looked a little something like this. I had a case on my phone, but no screen protector, and I learned my lesson the hard way. I paid to replace my screen, and now I'm here to show you a way to protect your phone with a screen protector and a minimalist case. Let's get to it. This is the Spigen Glass screen protector. I was always against screen protectors, but I like this one because I can't even tell that it's on my phone. It's super sleek and it comes with two and has everything you need for a quick, easy install. And this is the new silicone cover. I prefer slim covers and the ones where I can see the color of my phone, and this one was perfect. Both products from Amazon with links in description below. The screen protector comes with instructional videos that you can reference. I'm going to go through the entire process step by step, so follow along. Here are your two screens in case one breaks. And here's a breakdown of the entire kit. You got your screen wipes, your cloth duster, and your sticker dust remover. You have two sets of everything, so put one away. And your important air bubble scraper. I still had the protective film on my new screen, so I had to take that off first. Now let's go through the steps and clean the screen. Get all those fingerprints and grease off. And remove any little pieces of dust that are left behind. Try not to hit the screen with your fingers. Do one last wipe down. Now let's install the actual screen protector. Removing this sticker exposes the screen protector that will be on your screen. Make sure you put it squarely down on the phone. Make sure you press it down on all sides. Follow the instructions and slide your finger up and down the back of the screen protector. After 30 seconds, now go ahead and remove the sticker that will release the screen. Simply remove the install kit and make sure that you like this video. Now take off that plastic covering. And don't worry about those air bubbles. We'll take care of those in the next step. Now you can use the scraper to get the air bubbles out. Just repeat the process and push those air bubbles to the edge until they're completely gone. Now let's install that case. Just wipe your phone down and take out your case. This is easy. All you have to do is snap the phone in and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Now my phone is fully protected and no issues pushing the buttons. The case is a little slippery, but eventually it goes away. I highly recommend this to protect your phone. Now let's check out my other videos.